Back to our demo, there's one thing I forgot. Let's do a shutdown immediate in SQL+, because I want to show you how to selectively start up the instance. If our troubleshooting and recovery requires us to do or to stop at the no mount stage, we could do a startup no mount. Now, one reason why you would want to stop at the no mount phase is if you have a corrupted or missing control file. It would be at this point that you would use the statement restore control file in order to bring back a backed up copy that you have, and then you would want to mount and eventually open the database. Now, how do you mount? You can't very well issue startup again. We use the DDL command alter. We do alter database mount. That brings us to the next level. At this point, we would be in a position to run recover database, perform different kinds of recovery, and so on. When we're ready to open, alter database open, and fingers crossed, your recovery and troubleshooting efforts will be rewarded with, drum roll please, no errors. Let me do a select user from Dual, and it's not erroring me out, so it looks like I'm okay. Dual, by the way, is a virtual table that is used for scratch operations. You can throw anything at it. Select sysdate from Dual. And it's a great way to just bring back one-liners or scalar data from the data dictionary or wherever. Now let me bring up my web browser before we do our last subject. I'm logged into Oracle Enterprise Manager here. I just want you to know that as long as you're logged in with sysdba privilege, let me actually log in again. Note that I'm ticking as sysdba to invoke that special privilege. Sysdba does unlock a lot more in Database Express. I know I've been kind of harsh on this tool, having enjoyed the 11G Oracle Enterprise Manager so much, But anyway, under configuration, we can go into initialization parameters. And this has the advantage of showing us all of these in a really nice, easy to follow table view that's categorized for us, if it'll display. To see all of the categories, we'll just do in View, Collapse All. And you can do a search up here, memory for instance, and expose particular values. What's neat about this, again, besides showing us the report in an easy to understand way, it shows us parameters like, is this something we can change dynamically? In memory target it says it is. How do you change them? Try to double click, it's not going to help. You have to come up to set. And as long as you have proper privilege, you can get access to these values. And it's cool that you can show the underlying SQL what's going to happen when you fill out that little message box and submit the change. So that's what initialization parameters look like in Database Express. Notice here that we have the two tabs, what's currently in memory, and then over here what's recorded in the server parameter file. And it's nice that it gives us the path to that SP file, psite.ora file, very conveniently.